go first, Libby. What's in your carry-on?
Let's see. I got hand sanitizer and socks because I just get cold on the plane. I got gum. Gum is really good to have on the plane because it helps your ears pops. And my ears have problems because I have water behind my eardrums for a long time. So gum is good. I have a what flavor? Watermelon tropical fruit. And I have jelly beans. We're leaving really early in the morning, so gotta have donuts. Cactus flavored jelly beans. It kind of sounds gross though.
Oh, like eggs. I wonder how this is gonna taste. No, they're like different flavored jelly beans, like donut jelly beans.
Strawberry iced, cinnamon apple filled, glazed blueberry cake. Blueberry cake and original glazed chocolate iced with sprinkles. I don't like chocolate. So.
I don't trust people who don't like chocolate.
I got these because I just sketch a lot. A scrunchie to hold my hair up.
She loves to hold her hair up all the time. Why does it smell so good? Oh my gosh!
I got my phone. Do you follow me on TikTok? And a portable charger. This is great because it's a 6-hour flight and it's gonna keep my phone charged.
Wait, I thought it was 14 days. I said 6. Ah!
14 days on a plane.
Yeah.
Well, what's in your small pocket?
That's fun. We got some chapstick because your lips will get so chapped. You'll be like, oh my gosh, Mom, I need some lipstick. Okay, and get some socks because your feet get really cold. And some lotion. That's it, moisturize. Oh, and these wipes because
We're germophobic.
what? Oh, no. Okay, because you gotta wipe those chows, you know? They're really dirty.
Did you just say chows?
Yeah. In your trays. I got jelly flavored. Jelly beans.
Jelly flavored? That doesn't make sense.
I got some the pineapples. Because we always need that in. Oh, I forgot about you. I'm gonna feel a little bit of a plate.
I just love it.
Hey, no. Don't touch it. No. Do you like chocolate?
No. I mean, yes.
I don't trust you. Okay, move on. Olivia, what's in your big honey?
Flip-flops. A cute cozy outfit for the plane. Some sweats. Salt and vinegar chips. Those are my favorite. And a cute outfit for when we get to Hawaii. It's gonna be hot. And I got my sketch pad and lots of things.
OMG!
These because these just fit Hawaii. It's amazing.
Isn't it?
Kind of like these.
Oh man, I can't.
It smells like Macy's. I don't even know if that's from Macy's.
This one too.
And that's about it.
Okay, moving on to me. Same. Okay, I'm gonna do this last. This one is kind of baby-ishy. This is the only long one I can find. So,
Paw Patrol?
yes. I don't wash it, but
Or do you?
well, maybe I do, but it's over there. My friend. I like the Legos. You? Oh wait, that was the last one. As also, I got some flip-flops because you don't want to be like barefoot there. So it's gonna be
Actually.
like, oh, Booney. The last one is awesome. And we got some outfits because you know, want to be cozy. And sometimes you want to change, right? And then something cooler for when we get off of the plane. This is gonna be hot, hot, hot! Woo! Woo! Okay. And then some of these. Wait, I'm setting like a tropical Hawaiian thing here. What about you guys?
I'm definitely picking up on that.
Oh, and the last one is a Nintendo. Say it has Mario Kart in it. No! This is an old school game console. It's loaded with 25 old school games. Like Mario and Pac-Man. Wait, what?
Wait.
Pac-Man? And the best thing is it takes batteries, guys. I just need to pack extra batteries and I can play people.
Alright guys, that's it for our carry-on. The next time we see you,
We'll be in Hawaii. Aloha.
I love you guys and we'll see you in our next video.
Love you. All the shout outs. Aloha. Aloha. Make way, make way. I'm on, okay.